I'm Somali.
Say my name.
I'm Somali.
Say my name.
I'm Somali.
Say my name.
I'm Somali.
Say it louder.
I'm Somali.
Say it proud.
I'm Somali. I'm Somali.
I'm Somali, that's not just a name. It's fire, it's faith, it's never shame. I'm Somali, born to stand tall. Even with nothing, I give my all. Somali walking, head high talking. Camera pride, no fear, no stopping. Blue flag sky, 5-star shine. Beauty, this land is mine.
I'm Somali.
Desert in my blood.
I'm Somali.
Rise after the flood.
I'm Somali.
Louder than the war.
I'm
Roots
Somali.
too deep to ignore.
I'm Somali.
Feel that beat, barefoot dreams, desert heat.
I'm Somali.
Deep in my chest, broken but golden, still the best. I come from the land where the ocean breeze, with my grandma's blessing floats in the breeze. From Kismael's tears to Busasa waves, we don't fold, we don't cave.
I'm Somali.
I shine, I fall, I rise.
I'm Somali.
Sandstorm so lionized.
I'm Somali.
You feel me when I speak.
I'm Somali.
Never soft, never weak. Strong like Julio, sharp like Abo. Dance like Danto, wise like Dado. We love deep, laugh loud, fight true. Even when nothing, we still pull through. Tea in hand, bullet scars fade. Still we dance in the mess they made. Our our hearts, Mogadishu fight. We pray in pain, still rise in light. They see war, we see home. They see pain, we see poem. They see nothing, we see gold. We are Somali, fierce and bold. I come from land that touches the sky. From a sea so blue it makes seagulls cry. From camels walking like kings in the dust, to women with eyes that carry trust.
I'm Somali.
Tribe don't define me, Kabil can't blind me. Hate won't tie me.
I'm Somali.
Deep like sea, you can't break what lives in me.
I'm Somali.
Say it in the mic,
I'm Somali.
born ready to strike.
I'm Somali.
Ink in my skin,
I'm
when I
Somali.
lose, I learn, I win.
I'm Somali.
I don't fold, gold inside, heart ice cold. You see the news, but not my song. You saw the fall, I've been strong.
I'm Somali.
Hear it in the beat,
I'm Somali.
feel it in your feet.
I'm Somali.
Dust to gold,
I'm Somali.
young, black, old. One tongue, one fight, one blood, one light, one love, one land, one heart we stand. I'm Somali. I don't break, look for war. I'm Somali. Built to wait, say my name with love.
I'm Somali.
Say my name with truth.
I'm Somali.
We rise, we fall, we fight, we pray. I'm Somali every day. For the world that forgot us, this is the sound. For the youth who lost hope, this is the ground. For every soul that carries our name, I'm Somali.